Alright, so we have concluded that x is the same, so I want to remove the x. Can you write down? Because x is the same, because the number of x is the same. Does that make sense to you? Jaron, does that make sense to you? Okay. Now, I look at so I want to remove the x because the number of x is the same. Equation 1, I got 1x. Equation 2, I got 1x. It's same. Or do I take 1x minus 1x? Minus. Does minus make sense? Okay, so this is what you write. Now, because you are lazy people, because I am lazy people, I write equation 1 minus equation 2, dot, dot. Xiaoming, do you know why I minus? Xiaoming, do you know why I minus? That's the thing. Justin, why do I minus? Can you tell me what is 1x minus 1x? 0, no x. Why no x? I want to remove x. Can you follow? Okay. If I plus, what will happen? What is 1x plus 1x? 2x. Didn't remove x. I want to remove the x. Can you follow? Yeah. Now, you see how I write? This is what I write. I will write this. I will write x plus 2y, which is this thing. Then I use another color, minus x minus 3y equal -5 minus, run out of color already, -5. Who cannot understand what I write? Do you understand? That means I take equation 1, this left side, equation 1, minus the left side of equation 2 to form the left side. What about the right side? Same thing. I take the equation 1 minus the equation 2 number. And I purposely put in the minus and the minus. I don't want to change anything. Can you follow? Now next, let's handle this minus. Minus this thing. Who not sure how to minus? Okay, Ridwan. Can you help me? This negative can be understood as -1. There's a 1 there. Okay, so it's like there's a -1 there. So you can take it as negative. Okay, so I copy down x plus 2y. Then I write down -1 times x. What do I get? -x or -1x. What about -1 times -3y? Plus or minus? Plus. Because bad person, bad thing happen, good. So this one is plus. Plus 3y equal, what is negative times a negative? Aisha? Plus. So what is 5 plus 5? 10. So you can write down 5 plus 5. Now the next step will be very obvious why I choose minus. X minus x will give you what? No x. 0. Don't need to write. Don't write 0x. Don't need to write. 2y plus 3y, 5y. So you write 5y equal 10. What is y? 2. That's that. By that exam, 2 marks. But there's one more mark because I need to find what? X. So what do I do? Tell me. Negative x then Because this one times this one what? Bad person, bad thing happened to him, good. So plus 3y. Are you asking about this? Okay. Justin, okay or not? So y equals to 2, where do I have to put back into equation 1? So let's try. Put back equation 1. So this is what you write. Sub y equals to 2 into equation 1. X plus 2 bracket 2 is equal to 5. Ashraf, I will answer your question. What is X? So both side minus 4, I will get 1. Question, can I sub y equals to 2 into equation 2? Can I do that? Can. Amelia, do you think if I sub y equals to 2 into equation 2 instead, do I still get x equals to 1? Do you think so? Can we try together? Can we try together? Atlee, if I sub y equals to 2 into equation 2, what do I write? X minus 3 bracket 2 equals negative 5. I'll answer your question later, you write down. So x minus 6 is equal to negative 5. Jaren, I want to remove the negative 6. Both sides must do what? Plus what? Plus how many? 6. Good. Both sides plus 6. That's correct. So both sides plus 6, I will have negative 5 plus 6. And then I will have 1. Now, I answer Orlando question. In exam, you either choose this or this. Do you choose both? Please don't. Wait, I'll start your question in class. Oh, must you write the sub y? Yes. The sub y, this step must write. This step will help you, not help the teacher. Because later on in AMAX, your one question is 1 page. So you need to tell yourself what you do, so you won't get lost. Daryl, your question? Wait, Yes, Daryl made a very good observation. So in the question, if the number of 1 page, most of the time no. But there are many steps. So you better label your steps. This is to find x. Tell me your question. Yes. So your final answer, can you write down your final answer? X equals to 1, comma, y equals to 2. Yes, Orlando? Come, attack me. Come. What do you want to say? Good question. What if 1 is positive, 1 is negative? We will see in the next few questions. Can I pause the video here and then you try example 2? See, Nabila can predict. As lazy people, what is the first step? What did I do? Start with L. Label. Instead of writing this every time, I call this number 1, equation number 1. I call this equation number 2. Can you follow? Okay, Danish will help me with this. The rest of you listen. Now, Danish, which one of it, is it x the same number or the y the same number? Y, So, can all of you take out your highlighter and highlight? It seems that this number is the same. Maybe the sign as well. And the conclusion is, maybe I want to remove the y. I want to remove the y. Okay, Danish. There are two scenarios. One scenario is I take equation 1 plus equation 2. Can follow? Can follow? So I try. So Danish, can you write down? If I take equation 1, plus equation 2, and I only focus on the y. This one I don't care first. The 5 and 3 I don't care first. I only focus on the y. Can you tell me equation 1 plus equation 2 means what? I will take what? The 2y plus this one, right? So can you write that down? 2y plus negative 2y equals what? Danish? 0. 0. Very good. 0. Can you answer the question? Is y removed? Yes. Y is removed. Now, good question. Now, Danish again, Orlando later I'll answer you. If I take equation 1 minus equation 2, what will happen? I will take 2y minus, 2y minus negative 2y, right? Then you say plus, right? So I will take 2y minus negative 2y. How many y is that? 4y. No, I did not remove y. Am I correct? Y is not removed. Do you see that? So, Orlando question later. So, in this case, which one should I choose? Plus or minus? Plus. I should choose plus. I should choose plus. Okay. Now, can you indicate this thing is not the working. This is just rough working. Can you indicate that? So in exam, I don't want to see this happening. This one is no. This one is self-talk. You talk to yourself only. You ask yourself, Benjamin, should I plus or should I minus? You talk to yourself. You cannot visualize, you do can. But then you must present the real working below. Can follow? Now, Danish chose 1 plus 2. Can you help him to complete? Can you help him to complete? So Danish choose equation 1 plus equation 2. Now let's start. Equation 1 plus equation 2 means something plus something equals to something plus something. Do you know why I got this bracket? Danish? Danish understand this bracket? And Nisa, help Danish to complete. What do I write here? X plus 2y, excellent. Now, can you write down what Nisa said? Some of you have done. Can you check whether what Nisa said is correct? What about the other bracket? What do I write? First one, you write x plus 2y. The second bracket? 3x minus 2y. Very good. 3x minus 2y. You never do like that? Never. The other one will be what? 5 plus 3. Okay. So then, I pause the video here. Can you try and complete the question and find out what is? Can. This is right. This is one level higher. Can. Then you plus. Can. Y equals to 1.5. Can you check my answer? Can you check my answer? Y equals to 1.5. What's the value of x? 2. I'm not sure if this is correct. I pause the video here. Everyone, can I put dot here? Orlando, what is the value of x? 2, right? Now, how to find y? Orlando, sub x equals to 2 into where? Into where? 1. Can you choose 2? Yes. Orlando, tell me what to write. Very good. 2 plus 2y equal 5. Very good. Both sides must do what? Very good. So 2y equals to 5 minus 2. 2y equals to 3. Orlando, what must I do both sides? Remember to write your final answer, x equals to 2, y equals to 1.5. Now, turn over to next page.